Interior, period-correct style with modern conveniences. Interior of this 1956 Beauville is just as impressive as its exterior. Finished in blue and white vinyl, the cabin perfectly complements the exterior color scheme and captures the spirit of 1950s Chevrolet luxury. The seats, door panels, and headliner are all beautifully matched, creating a cohesive and inviting interior environment. The painted body color matched dashboard features a factory-style steering wheel, maintaining the authentic look of the era while benefiting from modern updates. Upgraded gauges provide improved readability and reliability, while the upgraded factory-style audio system delivers modern sound quality without compromising vintage aesthetics. Climate comfort is handled by air conditioning, controlled via neatly integrated HVAC controls, making this wagon enjoyable in all seasons. A front center console with built-in cue folders adds everyday practicality while blending seamlessly into the interior design. Utility and versatility. As a true 9-passenger wagon, this Beauville offers exceptional versatility. The spacious cabin and generous cargo area make it ideal for road trips, beach cruising, car shows, or simply enjoying a classic car that can comfortably carry family and friends. The wagon layout provides practicality rarely found in vehicles of this era, especially one restored to such a high standard. Show-ready and road-ready. From top to bottom, this 1956 Chevrolet Beauville wagon represents a rare opportunity to own a fully restored, tastefully upgraded classic that combines iconic styling with modern drivability. It is equally at home at prestigious car shows, weekend cruises, or relaxed coastal drives. This Beauville is more than just a classic car, it is a rolling piece of American automotive history, restored and refined for today's enthusiast who wants timeless style without sacrificing comfort or reliability.